Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download a TikTok video without a watermark. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So diving deep into this context, all you gotta do is simply go to your TikTok, and now if you want to download a TikTok video without watermark, all you gotta do is simply tap on this arrow like button. There you can find the option called copy link. Simply tap on the copy link option, and now this link has been copied to your clipboard. Now you need to come back in a web browser and tap open Snaptic or any other third-party website to download it without any watermark. So here you need to paste the particular link that you have copied and hit the download button. After you do this, you will get your video. So you can either choose to download it directly or choose to download the video in HD by watching an ad. So this way you can simply download TikTok videos without even having a watermark. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.